Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Swag. Today's video is about wall hanging I made from rugs. So without further ado, let's get started. I bought these rugs, couple of these rugs from Home First Furnishing section of Vishal Megamart. That too just 19 rupees each. So I'm making this DIY from this rug only. So let's get started. Now first I need to hang it through this bamboo stick with the help of bamboo stick. So I am just tying some twines onto it to hang it on nail, and then I'm just sewing this bamboo stick inside the upper part of this rug. Like this. You can also use wooden dowels if you have. The thing which will give strength to make it hang. Now to decorate the top edge, I am using couple of laces. Apply it with the help of glue gun, or you can stitch them with the help of big needle. Now with a dark pen, you can write anything which you like. I am writing over your home in this manner. And now I'll be giving it embroidery stitch from yarn. My baby comes in. Now I'm doing it with the help of needle and yarn. I'll be giving it simple embroidery stitch. Like this. If you don't want to stitch, you can paint it also. Use acrylic paint. But I prefer stitching it with yarn to give it more fabricated look. Same way we are going to make all the alphabets. Like this. Now with the help of this cardboard and some contrasting colors of yarns, I'll be making frill of this yarn at the side of right corner. Do it as shown. Cut the way I am cutting it. and take out the cardboard. You'll be getting this kind of yarn frill. Now to decorate it further, I'll be applying some foam roses on the top of this frill, or else you can leave it like this also. Paste these flowers with the help of glue gun or any clear glue like Fevibond. I'll apply the lace at the lower edge also. And same way I'll add further contrasting colors, different contrasting colors frill. To decorate it further, now I'm making a home kind of figure on top of this frill. So I'm adding some yarn in a V shape on top, and with the help of lace I'm giving it a shape of hut, a V shape on top of it. Same way you can now I'll make a small door and paste a fabric over it. I'll cover it completely with the fabric. And I'll place this small little door on this hut. Now again I'll be using some flowers to make it beautiful, and lastly the tassels, yarn tassels, black and white color. Because it's of grey color, so I'll be using, you can also use different colors if you want, multi shades also, but here I'm using black and white color tassels. These are available to me, so I'm pasting them at the lower edge, and yeah, it's done. Look how delightful it's looking. Hope you like this video. Keep sharing, liking this video, subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.